Hello everyone, and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we're talking about the Ultra Hardtop P1 Plus. The Hardtop P1 Plus is a spill containment pallet designed specifically for a single 55-gallon drum. With the addition of a hardtop, it is perfect for outdoor storage or for secured storage indoors. The P1 is made up of two pieces, the top and the base. So the setup process is pretty straightforward. You put the drum into the base, and then you put the top on the base. Done. Okay, maybe it's not that straightforward. There's a few notable items worth mentioning, but generally speaking, that's all there is to it. Let's go back to the beginning, putting the drum into the base. Drums aren't light, especially full ones, so this step will require a drum lifter or some other type of drum handling equipment. Now, once the drum is safely loaded into the base, the top section can be installed. There is a locking tab on the back of the top, and this needs to be engaged first to install the top properly. This can be done by putting it on at an angle. Once that tab is locked in place, the rest of the top will simply rest on the supporting edge of the base. The hardtop is now ready for use. The drum can be accessed or secured simply by opening or closing the roll top door. You can make the roll top more secure by adding a padlock here. Just keep in mind that this only locks down the roll top. The entire top section can still be removed from the base. If you want to keep things completely secure, you'll need two more locks to secure the base and top together. Alternatively, zip ties or safety wire can be used. It just depends on how much security is needed. The Ultra Hardtop P1 Plus has a weight capacity of 800 pounds and a containment capacity of 70 gallons. That is enough capacity to meet the EPA and SPCC regulations. I'll put a link down below in the description to a video that explains those regulations in much more detail. The P1 is made with 100% polyethylene. We use polyethylene for all of our rotationally molded products for a number of different reasons. But some of the main ones are, one, that they will not rust or corrode, and two, they have excellent chemical resistance. There's a few options to know about. A drain is available. It's a 3/4 inch drain plug that's installed at the factory and can make cleanup easier and more convenient. For added portability and mobility, there's also an optional dolly that can be used to move the P1 hardtop from point to point. The unit can also be moved from under the shoulder section using a forklift. Applications for this product are likely to either be outdoors or indoors where secured storage is needed. Typically in manufacturing, warehousing, chemical processing, property management, or auto service. Really, any industry where 55-gallon drums are used is a good application for the P1. Other products to consider if you're looking at the P1 and aren't quite convinced. Well, if you decide you don't need covered containment, you could go with the Spill Pallet P1 Plus, which is a single drum containment pallet that is forkliftable. You could also go with a Spill Deck P1 bladder system, which is very low profile and uses a hidden bladder to capture larger catastrophic spills. If you want outdoor covered containment and room to grow, you might choose the Ultra Hardtop P2 or P4 Plus, which contains 2 and 4 drums respectively. There are links below to all of these products should you care to investigate further. Thank you for your time, and look for more product training videos on our YouTube channel.